Who said I was an angel?
What's going on, everybody? It is your girl Jordyn, and I'm back at it again with another video. And right now I'm sick, so please don't mind me and give a big thumbs up because that new intro, yes, all the products that I'm using is Got to Be Glue, Pink, some frizz serum, and a brush and a comb. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. And put your flat irons to 380 degrees because you know what, you don't want the hair to burn, and that's a good number tip for weave. Thumbs up this video if you want tips for weaves in my next video. Like, it's really helpful. I can give you all the tea, sis. So I'm taking small sections. This usually takes me about 15 minutes. I be running to school like really late because I'm that type of person, yes. But I'm just brushing and flat ironing it. I'm just jamming to some music, but don't mind my face. I'm real like steady with it. But I use the comb and I use a flat iron, and it's best to use a rat tail comb. Like, do not use no wide tooth comb, please. Brush or what's it called? But you can see how sleeky my hair is. Like, ooh. You see the other side, and then you see, girl, you bomb side. If you want to know, this is a closure wig that I've made. I am so sorry that I'm rambling. So you see, I don't like flyaways at all. No. So I'm using a pomade and I'm putting it on top of my head. The frizz serum is like really optional. Didn't use it in this video, but I'm using the pink holding spray to lay it down. And then I'm even using my flat iron for this too. And that is all, girl. Like, you about to be slaying for school, looking cute. But yeah, I'll see y'all in my next video.